Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix run button is not showing in Visual Studio Code. So if this button or the play button is not visible or working on your VS Code, then these are the different methods that you could try out to fix the issue. So as you can see, I have a sample code in here and my play button is actually working. But if this is not showing onto your end, the first thing that you could try out is to head onto the extensions. So this is the extensions icon that is found onto the left side corner of Visual Studio Code. Click onto that one. And then right after, you need to search here onto the search bar, the code runner. So you'll just need to go ahead and search it like that and then wait for it. So as you can see, we have this one in here. Click onto the first one and then make sure that this one is installed. So you could check also if this one is disabled or enabled. Make sure that this one is enabled. So if it is showing disabled, then this one is already enabled. Right after, you could do a quick refresh onto your Visual Studio Code by going out and then opening it back again. The next step that you could try out is to go back here onto your code and then right after here onto the upper right corner of the screen, there is a three dots. So if you right click onto that, you should be able to find a run code option. So just make sure that that one is checked out because if that one is not checked out, you will lose the option for that one. So you'll just have to right click onto that one, click onto run code so that this one or the play button should be showing. So that is just basically it on how you fix run button not showing in Visual Studio Code. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.